This video tutorial I will explain what is DevOps lifecycle. The DevOps lifecycle encompasses a set of practices and tools which aimed at improving collaboration between development team and operation team to streamline the software delivery process. DevOps focuses on automation, continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous feedback to enhance the efficiency, reliability, and quality of the software development and deployment. Here you can see the DevOps lifecycle. It starts with plan, then coding, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. Then these steps will repeat. The step 1 is planning. Objective is define the project scope, project requirements, and project objectivities. Tools used are Jira, Trello, and Asana. Activities are road mapping, sprint planning, and backlog grooming. Step 2 is coding. Objective is develop the software application. Tools used are Git, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Activities are writing code, code review, and version control. Third step is building. Objective is compile the code and build the application. Tools used are Jenkins, Travis CI, Circle CI. Activities are automated builds, artifact management, and versioning. Fourth step is testing. Objective is ensure the application is free of bugs and performs as expected. Tools used are Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, and Postman. Activities are unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Fifth step is releasing. Objective is prepare the application for deployment. Tools used are Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, Spinnaker. Activities are versioning, packaging, and release management. Sixth step is deploying. Objective is deploy the application to the production environment. Tools used are Kubernetes, Docker, AWS Code Deploy. Activities involved are automated deployments, rolling updates, and rollback strategies. Seventh step is operating. Objective is manage and monitor the application in production. Tools used are Prometheus, Nagios, Splunk, New Relic. Activities are performance monitoring, logging, and infrastructure management. Eighth step is monitoring. Objective is continuously monitor the application performance and user experience. Tools used are Grafana, ELK Stack, and Datadog. Activities are alerting, incident management, and root cause analysis. Now we will see the key concepts. The first point is continuous integration. Regularly integrating code changes into a shared repository, followed by automated testing to detect issues early. The second point is continuous delivery, ensuring that code changes are automatically tested and prepared for the release to the production. Third point is continuous deployment, extending continuous delivery by automatically deploying every change that passes all stages of the production pipeline. Fourth point is infrastructure as code, managing and provisioning computing infrastructure through machine readable scripts rather than physical hardware configuration or interactive configuration tools. Fifth point is automation, leveraging tools and scripts to automate repetitive tasks, reducing the risk of human error and increasing efficiency. Now we will see the benefits of DevOps. The first point is improved collaboration, fosters a culture of collaboration between development team and operation team. The second point is faster time to market, accelerates the software delivery process allowing for quicker releases and updates. Third point is increased reliability, enhances the stability and reliability of the software through automated testing and monitoring. Fourth point is enhanced security, integrates security practices within the DevOps process, which ensure continuous security assessment and compliance. Now we will see the conclusion. By following DevOps lifecycle, organization can achieve higher efficiency, faster development cycles, improved quality, and better alignment between development and operational goals. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.